strategies. Today, I'm just featuring this stock real quick called Cheesecake Factory. Just to let you know, I get these ideas of which stocks to buy from different people in different times of year. But Cheesecake Factory was a winner this year. Basically, last July, I invested in a stock at $29, and today is trading up at 46, 45, $50 per share. So just to let you know, I was up, and I got this stock from a channel called Financial Education. This guy Jeremy here, back in July, as you can see, July 2020, Cheesecake Factory. He talked about how he thought it was a good time to invest in Cheesecake Factory after there was a $200 million strategic investment from this capital fund. So check this guy's channel out, Financial Education. Jeremy is a guy, he started out with a few $1,000s a year investing, and he turned it into over $1 million. So he basically teaches people, if you're at the 50,000 mark, how to get from 50,000 to 100,000, and so on and so forth to $1 million. Jeremy worked at Walgreens for years, for a few years, and then he learned how to flip stocks, and now he's a millionaire. So check that out, Financial Education channel. I really like it, and get some ideas from it. All right, so to my top stocks today, what's trading up early right now? Amazon is still up by 1%. CrowdStrike is up 0.78%. Snap is up 1.82%. Shopify is up 0.95%. Nucor, ticker symbol NUE, Nucor is still up 1%. And I think that's about it. Some of these Apple, this is still up, Apple. Let me get to the news and see what else is going on. Let's see here. Support. Okay. Let's refresh Robinhood because it's oh. All right, so some news. Tesla nears entry into Indian market as 4 miles get regulatory approval. That's good news. India has over billions of people. It's very similar to China in terms of population growth. So it's an excellent market. The only problem with if you're trying to sell to some new markets where they have a growing middle class, they have a basically, when you look at a population growth in America, many of the people are over 60, 70, 80. The people that have the money are over 50. And so they're kind of legacy consumers, what I call them. The people in India and China are brand new. So that means the heavy part of their population is between 20 and 30. And so, they've got hundreds of millions of people in their new growth stage. So India is a viable market. The only problem with India is they have poor infrastructure. And so many of the people, they have jobs, but because of roads and bridges and a lot of other infrastructure problems, you can't get to the cities to get to the jobs. So India is trying to make some moves, but like I said, it'll be hard to tell because right now, as far as India, the main car or vehicle people use for transportation is the motorbike or like a scooter type deal. But we'll see what Tesla comes up with to go into the India market. I'm curious to see what will happen first. Okay, so Tesla goes into India, gets some regulatory approval. From the Wall Street Journal, Google, Apple hit in South Korea by world's first law ending dominance over App Store payments. Okay. Are social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat the next threat facing Amazon? And I mean, they're getting bigger. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. How does Ford's 2021 Mustang Mach-E compare with Tesla Model Y? And Netflix sued for defamation over Varsity Blues documentary. Could force Netflix to remove the title from the platform. Wow. All right. So there's some good news articles if you want to check them out. They're listed here: Wall Street, Bloomberg, Benzinga, and Market Watch on Reuters. Good stuff. All right. So just to look at some of my top gainers for the year: Tesla, AMC, HHC, Twilio, COF, the Revolve Group, JCOM, Microsoft, LDL, Upstart, and we'll go with NVIDIA. So those are the top stocks of the year so far. We're going to go back to the top stock of the day. See what's trading early. It's still pretty early. The market hasn't opened yet. We've got about an hour to the market opens. All right, so we have Funko. Funko brand is up 4.58%. Ticker symbol SVCE or Virgin Galactic is up 2.49%. And AMC is up 1.29%. And what else do we have here? Not anything much worth talking about. Let's see. Yeah, a lot of these are Reddit and meme stocks, but like BlackBerry, I mean, it's up 0.44%. Like I said, it's been down for the last 2 months. It is back up, but it's not much to talk about there. All right, so those are my top stocks. Like I said this morning, market's still moving pretty slow, but I want you to check out some of these other channels on YouTube. I said I like Jeremy. Like I said, he started out in Walgreens 7-8 years ago. Now he's a millionaire, and then he does have Discord group and some other things going on. So check out Jeremy. It's where I got the Cheesecake Factory idea. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.